Yeah, welcome back, guys. And today I'm gonna be doing 7,950 points, and I'm gonna try and pack someone good. Let's see what we get. Oh, this is a fucking packs. Ooh, boom. Yeah. Got 20 of these. Probably open like 10 of them. Got Cruise already. Oh, that's a good pack. Actually, put you on the transfer list. Come on. This will be, they just roll it open. Yeah, for Yaya Toure. Disappointed. Right, skip pack. Right, another one. Right, skip. Got no one again. This is a no look. No look, no look, no look, no look. Is it open? No. Skip. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, where are these blues? Everyone's packing. Everyone on Twitter is packing blues. That's absolute awful again. What is? Right, come on. 3 more of these and I'll open a few others. Come on, come on, come on. Skip. I don't want you, Alves. Come on. This will be a discard pack. No, I'm only joking. Ain't gonna be a discard pack. Oh, he must go for a bit, shouldn't he? No. Come on, he's got to be. Right. Open one of these and see if they're any good. Oh my god. Oh my god. 87 boating. Oh my god. I'll open another one just because the luck's pure luck. Come on, skip. I knew that's gonna happen. I'll jump back to these ones. Alright, next pack's gonna be a nose pack. Skip. Fucking bender. Oh crap, forgot nose pack. Next pack. Right, skip. Fair nose pack. Let's go. Oh. No. Right. Not looking, not looking, not looking, not looking, not looking. Skip. Oh my god. Skip. Oh my fucking god. Lamella. You know you've hit rock bottom when you pack a Tottenham player. Rock bottom when you hit a Tottenham player. Skip. Gonna play anchor. Oh my god, he's so good. Right, I've got 5 of these. Probably won't open all 5. I'll let this one roll. Oh my god. Right, I've got 4 more. And skip. Oh, for fuck off. Stupid. Alright. Skip. Dempsey. Really stupid, stupid game. Just wastes. Just robs your money. Skip. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way I've just oh my god, almost quick sold him. Oh my god, he goes for 4 million. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm shaking. I'm fucking shaking. Fucking I just packed fucking team of the year 95 Iniesta. This is going straight to my squad. Packing, to be honest with you. Right, skip again. Oh, would have been better if there was another one. Opened 90k worth of packs. Just see what I get. First pack. We're gonna fucking skip this. Oh, no, another one. Right, pack 2. Let this open. Oh, I look. skip actually. Oh my god, it's fucking backed in inform. Hey, go on. Zabala and inform. Wait, do I need. No, I don't need Zabala. Another. About 4 more packs, I reckon. Probably. Skip. Payet. Dimitri Payet. Dimitri Payet. Alright, boom. I'll let this one open, but I won't look. It should be open. Nope, it's fucking bullshit. I think I've got like 1 more left. No, 2 more. 2 more. No, yeah, about 2 more. Skip. Oh my god, this is just fucking shit now. I've got 2 more left. Right, this will be a no look. Right, should be open about now. Oh my god. Fuck. Last but not least. Boom. Fucking hell. I can't end like that. Right, 1 more, 1 more. Last one, last one, last one. Right, this will be a skip. Skip. Ah, bollocks. He's at Southampton now. Like, just because I like EA, not 1 more. Why am I doing this? Won't even be able to buy a team. Nope. Fuck it. Fucked it.